Hello everybody! Today I will make some update on my conductive ink. So out for my conductive ink I make this capacity switch for your home. So I use some piece of plastic which I coated with my conductive ink, and on the top I paint some white paint. In the back you see this touch sensor, touch controller, and this is my first prototype of home capacity switch for the light. So now I will replace my old-fashioned switch for light with this one, and I will see how will work this capacity switch made from conductive ink. So I replaced my capacity switch with this one. This is my old switch for the light, and now so very thin, and so this switch is for my light for outside, and because I use three-step touch controller, I have 3 steps: low, medium, and high. So yeah guys, that's it. Really awesome. Really tiny. It's really tiny, because if this is the housing for old white switch. So really awesome. So yeah guys, this was my capacity switch made from conductive ink. This was my little update. That's it for today, and we see us in the next video. Bye.